going to make a really yummy 3 ingredients pumpkin brownie, and it sounds too good to be true. But all you need is 1 brownie mix of your choice, a 15-ounce can of 100% pumpkin, and the third is some chocolate chips to top it off. You want to heat the oven to 350, and you want to bake this about 20-25 minutes. You want to put it in a 9 by 13 pan, but mine's a little bit smaller than that. And you also want to spray the pan. So let's get going. This is a thick batter. So you want to open your brownie mix. I guess I ain't got too many muscles this morning. I need to eat some spinach. But let's see, we'll put the pumpkin in first because this is a heavy mix. And you could use a whisk, but it's very hard, so I am going to use my hand mixer here. You can use a stand mixer, but I chose not to. Get this all done here. Well, I bet this is gonna really get the house smelling. Pumpkin and brownie and chocolate chips. Mmm, yum. I need to have a shirt that says yum. Okay, let's get all this. And if you don't have a can of pumpkin and you've already canned some, that's fine too. You can use that. And for those of you that don't know, I don't like banging my spoon on the side of the bowl. I'm so worried I may break a favorite bowl or something. And that's one thing my grandmother never did. I guess we follow our traits. Okay, that's that. Now we're gonna put in the brownie mix, just a little bit at a time, because like I said, it is a very heavy batter. Okay, we're all plugged in. We're good to go. Oh yeah, it's gonna be heavy. Heavy's good. Well, today in Maine, it's right now it's about 12:30, and it's 60 degrees out. It was a little nippy this morning. I left to go to the city, and it was 50 degrees. I went to my parents, and they had their furnace running. It was pretty darn hot. Okay, let's mix this up. Okay, we have it all mixed up. And I could see by using a whisk, it would be a little heavy. Wow, I'm hot in this sweater. I thought I'd be doing some outside work, but I think I got enough inside work to do. This is a nice batter. It's about the consistency of a cake batter or brownie batter. There you have it right there. I wish they'd build in something we could just smell everything over. It just smells so good. Now we're gonna pour it in. Just wanna make sure you guys can see me. Guess right here, keep going over. Just like this. Almost missed the bowl, cooking bowl. That wouldn't have been good. Now the baking dish. Says by 9 by 13, but I like a thick brownie. I'm almost thinking a 9 by 9 pan would work really well. And this is a little bit smaller than a 9 by 13 pan, but I like everything fluffy, including myself, because I am a little fluffy. Let's see here. Almost got it all. And I am starving. I haven't eaten all day. I've been right on the run. So, there we have it, right there. We're just gonna spread this out. Well, just like this. I need to dig out all my aprons. I've sold all my aprons. I've got to start replenishing my stack, so I'll have some aprons to sell for the holidays that are coming up. Okay, don't like to waste anything. Put this batter right on here. I have the oven heating at 350, and this will go in for about 25 minutes. Everybody's oven is a little different, so you want to check yours to make sure they're cooked through. Then we're going to take some chocolate chips. Just going to sprinkle some right on, and the ones that fell off, guess who's going to get them? Me. Shh, don't tell Ray. I was supposed to be watching my calories. I'm watching them all right. I'm watching them go in just as fast as I can. Didn't spread those very evenly, but. And I suppose you could put nuts on here too if you chose, but everything tastes better with chocolate chip. So there you have it, folks. Going in the oven for about 20-25 minutes at 350. And I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. It's all baked right there. Doesn't that look yummy? They're not real thick. I like a real thick brownie. That's why I'm so fluffy. But this does make a good size. I am going to show you. I only took a little piece. See, there it is right there. It's very moist. And it smells really good. So I want to show you again. There it is right there. Easy peasy. 3 ingredients, pumpkin brownie. Let me get a piece of paper towel here because I tend to be messy. Just push that off to the side a little. Cut into it. That chocolate is heavenly. Pumpkin and brownie is definitely a great mix. This brownie mix is really good. I think the chocolate chips really helps too. I could see I could eat the whole pan. When you wonder why I'm all fluffy, this is really good. Very good. All I can say is thumbs up, not changing a thing. I'll put everything in the description box below. And again, this is an easy 3-ingredient pumpkin brownie. And you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm known as MAINEiac Grammie on Facebook. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Happy baking, happy cooking. Now it's time for me to go back to work and clean the house. God bless. Oh, please give me a thumbs up and sub if you haven't. Catch you tomorrow. Bye now.